I put on my t-shirt. I put on my t-shirt. I take off my t-shirt. I take off my t-shirt. I put on my belt. I put on my belt. I put on my hat. I put on my hat. I take off my hat. I take off my hat. I pin a flower in my hair. I pin a flower in my hair. I pull up my pants. I pull up my pants. I sew a tear in my shirt. I sew a tear in my shirt. I sew on a button. I sew on a button. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I button my pants. I button my pants. I fold my clothes. I fold my clothes. I hang my shirt. I hang my shirt. I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes. I dry my clothes. I dry my clothes. I tie my tie. I tie my tie.
I pack my clothes. I pack my clothes. I take off my glasses. I take off my glasses. I put on my glasses. I put on my glasses. I take off my coat. I take off my coat. I brush my hair. I brush my hair. I dry my hair. I dry my hair.
I wrap a scarf around my neck. I wrap a scarf around my neck. I unzip my jacket. I unzip my jacket. I zip up my jacket. I zip up my jacket.
I iron my shirt. I iron my shirt.
Hi friends, help me subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button right here. Great, now we're subscribed. Thanks for helping. Let's learn English together and have fun.